Hey everyone, welcome back to What's Your Game Plan? Today I'm gearing up for an adventure with a guide on how to start a camping equipment store online. If you're looking to make some money while catering to outdoor enthusiasts, stay tuned for camping wisdom and business insights. All right, let's learn how to start a camping equipment business online. I know you clicked this video because you want to make a lot of money, which is great because the camping industry is expected to hit $30 billion by 2026. Products like lanterns and tents cost under $15 and they sell for triple. This is the kind of business that you can start without much stress, and the products are always in demand. Step one is to get a business plan. I want you to head over to Fiverr.com and in the search bar, type in business plan. This is going to reveal hundreds of freelancers who are going to help you identify your target audience and their preferences for camping products. Step two, you're going to decide on your camping inventory. Not everybody has the same taste or budget, so remember to offer a wide range of products that caters to everyone. Step three is one of the most important steps. You need to find a reliable supplier, and there's different methods to do this. Method one is to find a dropship supplier. That way you don't have to buy any inventory up front. To do this, head over to Google and type in dropship camping equipment. That's going to reveal hundreds of companies who actually dropship the products directly to your customer's door. One of my favorite websites is called Wholesale to Be. They have over 1 million dropship products, including camping products, and they're pretty well known across the internet. They offer a wide variety of dropshipping plans for an affordable price. You can even browse their entire catalog for free before signing up. Okay, so the second method for finding a supplier is the self-fulfillment method. This means that you have to buy your own inventory, warehouse it, and ship it out to your customers. If you want to do this instead, just go to Google and type in wholesale camping equipment. And that's going to reveal tons of different companies who are willing to sell you the products in bulk. But you'll have to sort through all the different options that they have and see what's best fit for your store's inventory budget. Remember, when you're buying wholesale, you can actually buy all these items tax-free, but you're going to need to file some paperwork. The paperwork that's required is called the Retail Merchant Certificate, or sometimes it's called a reseller permit, and you can get this directly from your Secretary of State's office. The application is usually on their website and can range anywhere from free to $50 per year, depending on your state's rules. Here's an example of what those certificates actually look like. You'll give this to the wholesale supplier to set you up with a tax-free purchasing account. The next step is to register your business and set up your business bank account. If you want to get your paperwork done really quickly, you could just go to mycorp.com and file as a sole proprietor or as an LLC. They'll get you set up with the incorporation paperwork and your EIN number. Being in business for over 20 years, they've priced their startup packages affordably at only $99 plus the filing fees. Your paperwork will come back in about a couple days, and then you can give that to the bank. Some people like to use a local bank for their business bank and their merchant accounts. I like to use Square. They're very easy to work with, and not only is the account free, but Square integrates directly into your website, so you can get paid out the same day. They also have debit cards, and they offer credit lines based upon your sales revenue, and that's called Square Capital. The next step is to get your website created for your camping store. I like to use Bluehost. They're really easy to set up, and they give you lots of extra freebies with their packages that others don't. Get on their website, find a camping type domain name for your website, and then buy one of their hosting packages. Once you buy the hosting package, just make sure that you save the login credentials. You're going to go back to Fiverr.com and find a website designer. The website designer is going to ask you for the Bluehost and for the Square merchant account information to set you up. Type into the search bar website design to find the person that you want to work with. Personally, I like to work with WordPress website designers because they're really easy to work with, and WordPress websites can be built for you in under 3 days. The next step is to create your camping equipment store logo and branding. I like to use 99 Designs. They have a really quick turnaround time, and they do a really great job at developing strong brand identities, which is pretty much needed when you're marketing an online business. After you get your designs back, the next step is to start marketing your camping equipment store. This is a list of the target audiences that you're going to be marketing to and some of the strategies that you need to use in order to bring awareness and purchase consideration for your store. Congratulations, you now own a camping equipment shop. So how much money can you actually earn? Well, let's talk about it. The average startup revenue for a camping equipment store online is around $25,000 to $70,000 per year. If you're starting this business as a dropship store, then the startup costs are really low, at $500 to about $1,000 to start. But if you plan on buying your own inventory, storing things in your own warehouse, and shipping them out to customers, plan on spending about $40,000 to $60,000 in startup cost. I'm also giving away my new marketing strategy book series for free. So if you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away.
If you like this video or you know someone who needs to see it today, tag your friends, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.